Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing good. Today we will learn about how can we take square root by division method. So let's follow the following steps and remember these steps in taking square root by division method. First of all, you have to divide the number into two equal periods. First period is of 24 and second period is 67. So you have to start with the greatest number whose square is contained in the first period. Whose square is contained in the first period? 67. 67 is nearly equal to square of 8. So we will write 8 over there. So 8 the 64. Now divide them. 7 minus 4, we got 3. In the next step, you have to bring down the second period next to the remainder to make the second dividend. You have to bring down the next period completely. You got 324. Then you have to add the quotient to the original divisor and make it the second divisor. What is the quotient here? 8 is the quotient. So you have to add quotient, means you have to add quotient in the divisor. So you will get 16 as the next divisor. Find out how many times the new divisor means 16, is contained in the second dividend. How many times the new divisor is contained in the second time? So we have 2. 162 when multiplied with 2, we got 324. Understand? You have to find out how many times the new divisor 16 is contained in the second dividend. So we conclude that we have 162 when multiplied with 2, you got 324. Understand? Write the number thus obtained as divisor as well as the quotient. You have to write the same number over there and there. This is the second figure of the root. Multiply the second figure of the root by the divisor thus obtained. Understand? So you have to check the given question. Is it right or wrong? How can you check it? The answer is correct or not? You have to multiply divisor by itself. You have to multiply 82 with 82. When multiplying both with each other, 82 with itself, you got 6724, the first dividend. If it's same, so you can say that your work is absolutely right. Now moving towards exercise 4b from page number 59, we have first question is fill in the blanks. The square of 0.5 is, what would be the square of 0.5? Multiply 0.5 by itself, you will get 0.25. The square root of 100. So which number is when multiplied itself gives 100? That number is 10. When 10 multiply with 10, you get 100. So 10 is the answer. To obtain a perfect square, 125 should be multiplied by the first number to multiplied with 5. Understand? Because you have studied earlier that a number ends with 5 and 0 will be first divided by 5. Power is another word for exponent. Index, you can use power as another word for exponent. The square of 4 by 3 is, means you have to take square of 4 and 3. 4 4s are 16 over 3 3s are 9. Understand? Moving towards question number 2, we have state whether the followings are true or false. We have the square root of 1000 is 500. Impossible. It is false. 80 is perfect square. No, it is not a perfect square because no number when multiplied with itself gives 80. So it is also false. Number 3 is any number ending in 5 has a square root ending in 5. Very true, because a number ending with 5 is absolutely divisible by 5. Number 4, there are 10 perfect squares between 1 and 100. Yes, you can also find it. Number 1, 4, which is 2 2s are 4, 9, 3 3s are 9, 16, 4 4s are 16, 25, 5 5s are 25, 36, 6 6s are 36, 49, 7 7s are 49, 64, 8 8s are 64, 81, 9 9s are 81, 100, 10 10s are 100. Understand? So it is true. The square root of 15 lies between 4 and 5. No, it is not possible. Square root of 15 doesn't lie between 4 and 5. Actually, it is impossible because it will not completely divide by the other number. In question number 3, you have to find the positive square root of following numbers. Just take prime factorization of numbers and make them as power of 2 or make them squares to get your required result. Let's have a look. I am solving some parts for you. You have to do the rest of the parts by yourself. The first part is 3969. So you have to take prime factorization there. You got 4 times 3 and 2 times 7. By making them a pair, 3 square and 7 square, making them whole pair, whole square. So square will cut with under root. So you will left with 3 3 and 7. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are, and 9 7s are 63. So 63 is complete perfect square of 3969. In part number 4, we have 17956. You have to break it into its prime factors. Then by taking under root on both sides, you got a pair of 2 and a pair of 67. So completing it whole square, 2 multiplied by 67 whole square, because both have squares. So squares will cancel. Square root 2 multiplied by 67 is equals to 134. Understand? You have to complete question number 3 on your notebooks and question number 1 and 2 on your books. Thank you, students. Allah Hafiz.